round of applause for Saumil and his team.
Hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, great. So everyone wants to learn hacking, right? So what are we going to learn today? A very quick recap. What are we going to learn? First of all, we would learn to jam anybody's Wi-Fi around your neighbor. So we will learn how to jam a Wi-Fi network. Then we would learn how to crack your Wi-Fi passwords of your neighbor using 3 techniques: fake AP, then that is a fluxion tool, then using crunching method, that is dictionary attack, and John the Ripper tool. Then we would be learning how to hack Facebook passwords of your neighbor or any of your friends, of course, that. And after that, what are we going to do is we are going to learn something about VPN. So how to bounce your location from one place to another place, that is from India to United States, Germany, France. So nobody can track you. And after that, last would be how to make a cool pen drive. Whenever you insert that pen drive into your neighbor's computer, all his bank account, password, email account would be stored in your pen drive. So you would learn. Yeah, I'll teach how to prevent that. Don't worry. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So I would request everyone to open their notebooks and write down the commands. So, that is very important. So write down the commands with me. Okay, I'll mail you the commands. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Now please silence and listen what I'm trying to tell you. Now, whatever hacking is done, it is done on one operating system known as Kali Linux, Khali, Kali Linux. How to install this Kali Linux on your computer? मैं बहुत ही basic से जाऊँगा. Either you can create a live bootable USB. That means whenever you insert the USB, you can use Kali Linux. That is method number 1. Method number 2 is to boot your laptop, do a dual boot. That means you can use Windows also and use Kali Linux. But the problem in that is you might corrupt your Windows. So I would suggest don't use that. Third method to install Kali Linux is virtual VMware. Now what is VMware? It's a virtual machine where you can run your Android OS. You can play games on your computer. So that is a VMware, virtual machine. So you can install Kali on virtual machine also. The problem in virtual machine would be wireless LAN attack. Whatever attacks you do won't be possible. So you have to buy an external adapter, a Wi-Fi dongle, and then you can work on Kali Linux. So first of all, we would learn about Wi-Fi jamming. So please write down the commands, whatever I do, along with me, so that you don't miss anything. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Chrome and simply go to google.com. So everyone open Google. That's the step number 1. Now what are we downloading here is Fluxion tool. Fluxion, Fluxion GitHub. So everyone is with me, right? Everyone please write it down. Now here you see the second leg, Wi-Fi Analyzer Fluxion. So click on that. So here you see the GitHub page of the Fluxion tool. You have to scroll down then a little bit. Yeah. So here can you see the option of clone and download, clone or download? Click on that and simply copy this URL. Copy the URL. Now what you have to do, open your terminal, type the command cd space capital D ESKTOP. So CD desktop. That means CD matlab mujhe desktop pe aana hai. So that is the path. Now if I want to check what are the files on my desktop, I can use the command ls. That means it will show the cup, fluxion, index.jpg, current cap, kick them out. So these are the files on my desktop. So I use the command ls to know that. So now just let's start hacking. अभी हम लोगों ने वो जो link download किया था ना, अभी हमको क्या करना है? Git clone Control Shift V. ये लिंक होगा, आपको एंटर मारना है तो डेस्कटॉप पे ना आपको फोल्डर मिलेगा फ्लक्शन नाम का. मैं क्लियरली एक दिखा देता हूँ. ये दिख रहा है आपको डेस्कटॉप पे टूल है फ्लक्शन का. मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे ऑलरेडी है तो मैं वापस डाउनलोड नहीं करने वाला हूँ. ये डाउनलोड हो जाने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, ./installer.sh ये कमांड रन करना है. तो इससे क्या होगा, बहुत सारी फाइलें जो है वो अपने आप डाउनलोड होगी. मतलब जो फाइल नहीं है आपके कंप्यूटर में वो इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड हो जाएगी हैकिंग के लिए. सो बस ये 2 कमांड हो गए और वाईफाई जैम हम कर सकते हैं. अभी हम जो फ्लक्शन है वो फोल्डर में मुझे जाना है तो कमांड डालेंगे cd fluxion. So we are in the Fluxion tool now. Now anyone from the audience, I would request you to create a, so Sheil, right? Yeah, so Sheil, create a Wi-Fi hotspot and keep the password 1234567890. And I would request some 8 to 10 people to connect to Shield's Wi-Fi, and I would jam the Wi-Fi then. So everyone, some 8 to 10 people, open your mobile phone, connect to Shield's Wi-Fi. The password would be 1234567890. Connect to his Wi-Fi. So because we are learning after hacking this, we are going to learn how to prevent such kind of hacks. So that is, yeah. No. See, we are. No. All right. Now, should I complete my point, please? So my point is, why are we learning is there are some loopholes which you are not aware. You are not aware, how can I, enter your system? So you should know how can I enter your system, and you should work on that system. That is why we are learning this.
There are things of which I can work.
Yeah.
Then you don't. There is no point of.
This is not people. People are not learning it for ethical hacking. We are learning how to prevent such hacks. That is the way.
People are excited only for that, and you don't need to teach these small kids these things.
No, I'm not teaching. They are here. I'm just teaching how to prevent such kind of hacks. Exactly, sir. That's my point. I think we should not have a debate here. Those who want to learn can sit, and those who don't can, Yes, sir. If I'm not mistaken, those who want to learn can sit here. Those who don't can please. No, I did not say that. I am teaching here to prevent, to see what are the loopholes in your system. How should you avoid that? What methods you can use? That is why I'm teaching. I'm not teaching here for hacking stuff. That is my point. All right? Am I clear with? Yeah, I'm teaching. So, okay, let's not have a debate. It's a workshop. Those who want, they can sit here and learn it. Those who don't want, it's your wish. Thank you. So, I'll continue with my workshop. So, yeah. So, what are we doing here is we went to the Fluxion directory. Then we would go to /Fluxion, enter. So here you see a list of program would be executed. So I would request Shield, is your Wi-Fi on? 3 people. Anyone more who wants to connect to the Shield's network can do that. So his password is 1234567890. So you can connect to Shield's Wi-Fi. Shield, how many Wi-Fi are connected now? 4 people. Any more? Anyone is connecting more to Shield's Wi-Fi? Okay, you. Great. 6. Great. We'll wait for 8, and if 8 are there, it's more than enough. All right, great. Yes? It's Shield. The Wi-Fi name is Shield, and the password is 1234567890. So, yeah, let's start. Yeah, great, Shield. So first of all, what you have to do after installing /Fluxion, you have to go to English. That is number 2. Enter it. Then number 1, wireless LAN attack. All right. Then wait for a second or two. Now here you would see an option of all channels or specific channel. So what is all channels? All channel का मतलब जितने भी Wi-Fi मेरे आजू बाजू है उसको scan करो. So I'll do that. Hit enter. So here you can see it is scanning all the Wi-Fi that are around me. Now इसके बाद exit कैसे करना है? Control C करके exit करना है. All right. So Shield, I can see this is your power, that is 46%, and the number is 4. So I'm going to attack Shield, that is number 4. उसके बाद you would see a various options known as fake AP, airbase, WPS slaughter, and brute force attack. अभी ये ब्रूट फोर्स क्या होता है? सिंपल में बोलूँ ब्रूट फोर्स मतलब डिक्शनरी अटैक. मतलब मैं एक डिक्शनरी बनाऊंगा, मुझे लगता है आपका वाईफाई आपका मोबाइल नंबर होगा, तो मैं उसके कॉम्बिनेशन बनाऊंगा और क्रैक करने का ट्राई करूंगा. मैं कंपेयर करूंगा, हाँ अगर ये है तो क्रैक कर वरना मत कर. दैट इज ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. सो नंबर 1 पे जाएंगे, एंटर मारेंगे. आपको पूछेगा पाथ, कैप फाइल का पाथ है कि नहीं. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंपली एंटर दबाना है. फिर मेरे को एक बार चेक कर लें दो कि शील्ड की वाईफाई ऑलरेडी डायरेक्टरी जो है मेरे इसमें है कि नहीं, रूट डायरेक्टरी में. So these are certain Wi-Fi which I have captured around me. That is a cap file. So Shield's Wi-Fi is not there. So I go to AirCrack Angie. That is the first option right here. click entered, and deauth all. Now everyone who is connected to Shield's Wi-Fi has been blocked. So I'll just show you quickly what is this. These are the device MAC address which were connected to Shield. Shield now, how many devices are connected? 0, I guess. 3 more, yeah. So all the device, 8 or 10 devices are de-authenticated with Shield. So you can see their corresponding MAC address and their power, whatever they are dissipating. These are the de-authentication packets. मतलब क्या, मैं उसको डिवाइस को पैकेज भेज रहा हूँ कि आप लोग शील्ड के वाईफाई को कनेक्ट नहीं कर सको. सो दैट इज अ de-authentication package that I am sending here. So you can have a look at it. Now, here something is known as a handshake. What is a handshake? Okay, so shake hand with me. So I'm shaking hand, right? Now what is a handshake? Whenever a device is disconnected, जैसे मोबाइल डिस्कनेक्ट होता है तो वापस वाईफाई से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. वो कोशिश कैसे करता है? राउटर के पास अपना पासवर्ड होता है, वो चेक करेगा मोबाइल का, भाई सेम पासवर्ड है क्या चेक करने का. वो जैसे करेगा ना, तभी मैंने वो हैंडशेक का फाइल कैप्चर कर लिया, तब भी वही टाइम पे. तो वहाँ पे दिखाता है हैंडशेक, तो ये हो गया हैंडशेक. ठीक है, या ओके, आई नो. So now what you have to do here is you have to check the handshake, right? So I press 1, hit enter. अब मुझे कुछ ऑप्शन बताएगा भाई मुझे कैसे इसका हैक करना है, वेब इंटरफेस, ब्रूट फोर्स इंटरफेस और एग्जिट. सो हम जो है वो वेब इंटरफेस से क्रैक करना चाहते हैं. सो आई प्रेस 1, हिट एंटर. अभी मुझे पूछेगा ये क्या है, ये सब नेट गियर, बेल्किन, व्हाट. अभी आप जब भी राउटर खोलते हो 192.168.1.1 तो आपको पता है कि राउटर का लॉगिन पेज आता है. तो ये जो क्या करेगा, आप कोई भी नंबर दबाओगे ना तो सेम वैसा पेज राउटर का जनरेट करेगा, फेक पेज. तो आपको क्या लगेगा, ये तो नेटगियर का पेज है, कुछ गलत तो हो नहीं रहा है. आप करने किया तो आपका पासवर्ड क्रैक हो जाएगा. तो इसके बाद हम सीखेंगे इसको प्रिवेंट कैसे करना. इसके लिए हमको जानना पड़ेगा, अरे आपको अभी आपका डिवाइस डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, आपको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा हैक हो रहा है. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है मतलब कोई हैक करे, इसीलिए जानना जरूरी है कि हैक करना कैसे सीखते हैं और फिर प्रिवेंट करना सीखना चाहिए, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल गो टू इंग्लिश. दैट्स नंबर 1. हिट एंटर. नाउ अभी वो है ना कुछ 5-6 विंडो खोलेगा. सो हम जरा वेट करेंगे. या अभी ये विंडोज क्या क्या है मैं बता देता हूँ क्विकली क्या हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली. अभी एक विंडो है दी ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑल. मतलब क्या, जो आपका पुराना वाईफाई था शील का, उस पर ऑलरेडी दी ऑथेंटिकेशन पैकेट भेज रहा हूँ. मतलब क्या, वो कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा, आप कितना भी ट्राई करो शील से अभी कनेक्ट नहीं होगा. तो अभी ये क्या है, और एक होगा DHCP. वो क्या करेगा, शील नाम का वाईफाई का और एक वाईफाई जनरेट करेगा. अभी आप सब लोग से मैं पूछूं, एक आप वाईफाई में जाओ और देखो आपको शील नाम का और एक वाईफाई मिलेगा जो ओपन होगा. तो फेक वाईफाई जनरेट हो रहा है शील का. सो प्लीज चेक एवरीवन दोज हु आर कनेक्टेड टू शील्स वाईफाई. फोन लो, आपका स्क्रॉल डाउन करो, वाईफाई में जाओ. सो यू वुड बी सीइंग अनदर वाईफाई नोन एज शील. तो आपको क्या करना है, उससे कनेक्ट करना है, शील के वाईफाई से कनेक्ट करना है आपको. ये अच्छा, ये देखो कौन कौन कनेक्ट कर रहा है. ये मैक एड्रेस कनेक्ट कर रहा है, 4 जन कोई ट्राई कर रहा है यहाँ से. सो आई कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट. 4 जन करे. जैसे आप कनेक्ट करोगे ना, आपको एक वेब पेज का पोर्टल आएगा ऊपर, देखो कनेक्ट हुआ वेब पेज. तो आपको वेब पेज पे जाना है और वहाँ पे आपको पासवर्ड पूछेगा आपका राउटर का. तो आपको एंटर करो, जो भी शील का वाईफाई का पासवर्ड था वो आपको वहाँ पे एंटर करना है. ऑल राइट, पासवर्ड इज क्रैक 1234567890. कूल, राइट, इजंट इट? सो दिस इज हाउ वन ऑफ द मेथड्स टू अटैक वाईफाई. वन मेथड इज फेक एपी. मतलब ऑटोमेटिक एक फेक एपी जनरेट होता है, हम कनेक्ट करते हैं उसको, जैसे ही आपने पासवर्ड डाला वो क्रैक हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेथड. Sorry, sir. Yeah, it's WPA2 security. Yes, correct. Where are you? Yeah, sorry. WPA2 security. Yeah, WPA and WPA2 both can be cracked. So in order to prevent such hacking, what you have to do is आपके घर पे राउटर ओपन करना है 192 और जो एनक्रिप्शन मेथड होता है, you have to change it to WEP. WEP is an encryption method which cannot be cracked. और जब भी आप सर्च करोगे ना ऑल चैनल तो वो सर्च नहीं होगा. Sorry sir. No sir, WEP is not supported. If you change your Wi-Fi to WEP, I have personally worked on that. If you change it to WEP, your Wi-Fi would not be showing in the all channel section. वो आएगा ही नहीं.
5 gigahertz then?
Sorry sir.
What if I'm on a 5 gigahertz channel then?
I'm not aware about that, sir. Sorry. Thank you.
You have alpha. You're using alpha right now, which is 2.4 gigahertz.
Yeah, 2.4 gigahertz.
Frequency. What if people over here are on AC route with a 5.0?
Well, I'm not aware about that since I'm not working on that, sir. Thank you. But I'll definitely, see.
You need to tell them which helps them in securing these.
Sure, sir. I'll definitely, work on this point, and next time I'll include it. Thank you, sir. Now So we'll close this dialog box over here. So again, the command should be cd. Yeah, so that's what my point is. So in the Wi-Fi router settings, you change your router settings. So instead of WPA2, it should be WEP. WEP is an encryption method which cannot be cracked by such software, and you won't be seeing the Wi-Fi SSID name there. This is how you prevent it. All right. Yeah, I can. I would, since even if he changed the password, I would be having the handshake file. I will be showing that. When I told you regarding the handshake file, I have the handshake file. I can still crack that using the handshake file. So now we would learn something. What is number crunching? Abhi crunch kya hota hai? Let's say I know Shield's Wi-Fi is his mobile number 98 something something, but I don't know. Usually all the mobile numbers starts from 98, 90 or 7 something something. So I can generate all the list of possible passwords starting from 98. So how do we do that? I'll just show you. And how to prevent that from, don't keep your passwords on your mobile number, your name, on your birth date, or combination of name and birth date. Never do that. It's very easy to crack, basically. So, yeah. Can you hold the mic, please? Yeah, so the command to generate all set of combination password is, you can write it down. So yeah, the command is crunch, length of the password, in my case it's 10, then /t, then password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say I don't know the rest of the digits, so I would simply say 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, yeah. Yeah, so yeah. After that, space, output, and the name of the file, that is pass.txt. So now this command would generate all the possible combination of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are the 3-digit numbers? So it would generate all the combination of those numbers and would save the numbers on pass.txt file. So here you see, Crunch will now generate the following numbers of the line 1000. So all the files would be stored, and then you can easily crack. See, I have the Shield's details stored here. So the security was WPA2. So sir, you asked me regarding that. So WPA2 can be easily cracked. WEP cannot be cracked, since I've tried that. Okay. So then after that, you can see the password, time, channel number, and the BSS ID. So all the details of your his Wi-Fi. Now this is the pass.txt. So these are the list of combination of the passwords that have been generated. If I don't know the password, I can use this number crunching method. So list of different passwords. So you can have a look at it. And then you can match with the command aircrackng/w pass.list and then the name of the cap file. So this is how every time all the password in my dictionary would be compared to the Wi-Fi password of your file. And if the match is found, it will be correct. This is how it works. Now something regarding Facebook. So how do we do that? Clear. So we do set tool kit, hit enter. We wait then. All right. Here we see some. Yeah, it could be alphanumeric. Regarding that, how to create a dictionary specific to the user. Let me teach you that first of all. So first of all, let me head to the this cd desktop. All right. Now there is something known as cup. What is cup? So I'll just show you. cd cupp, then ls. So /cup.python. So what is this, sir, cup? So let's see what is this cup. So again, the command will be $cup.python. All right. Oh, sorry. $cup.py/i. Now what is cup? It generates the list of password based upon the user. So what is your good name? So your good name? Sorry? Samin. Can you spell it out? Okay, Samir. Okay, so I'll simply enter his name here. SAM, Samir. Surname? C double H. So now what is this basically? It will ask me all this detail about Samir, and it would generate all kind of possible. It will ask your birth date, your wife's name, your wife's birth date, your child's name, all the combinations, Samir 128, all the alphanumeric combination would be stored in the dictionary. So this is another attack with cup. So it will generate a dictionary based on your profile. So what does hacker do basically? It will, they'll ask you, what's your birth date, what's your name, what's your, how old are you? So using that, they make such kind of dictionaries long and they try to crack your password. Prevention again, never ever use your password with name and then birth date, name and 1, 2, 3. These passwords can easily be cracked with the help of dictionary attacks. So to avoid that, always the password, let's say your name is Samir. So your password should be Samir, instead of A, you use Samir @ A. It's look like A, right? Samir 1 @ 2, 3 dot, something like that, which could not be cracked. So to crack such password, it takes a long time. So that is one point, right? Yeah, so regarding Facebook, we use a command set tool kit. We hit enter, all right? Then we go to social engineering attacks, number 1. We go to website attacks, number 2. Credential harvesting, number 3. Then site cloner, that's number 2. It would ask for a IP address. अभी IP address कैसे पता करना है? बता देता हूँ. Go to file, terminal, unnamed. अभी here आपको command डालना है if config, that is ifconfig. All right. Now here you see IP address WLAN 0. Here is an IP address 192.168.43.121. Copy that address, please. So यहाँ पे आपको आपका IP address डालना है. Hit enter. Enter URL to clone. So in my case, it could be Facebook, Gmail, or any account. So www.facebook.com. Enter. Now it would start a Metasploit basically. All right. Yes or no? So press yes. Why? All right. So the Facebook website has been cloned now. Again, open Google, and here you have to go to bit.ly.com. Enter. Here you have to, you have to enter your IP address. So simply paste it. So can you see the IP address got converted into a link, right? So जिसको भी अभी आपको अटैक करना है, simply वो link copy करो और उसको send कर दो. So here you see it has cloned Facebook for me. It appears like Facebook. So if you enter your credential, so your credential will be saved into my computer. Now, how can you identify such kind of malicious activity? Do not open Facebook whenever you get link something like Bitly or something like that. Never open such link. Point number 2, whenever you open any links, there should be HTTPS. S stands for secure. So please see whenever you open you do any kind of browsing, it should be HTTPS. S should be there. And never open third-party apps. All right. Now, anyone would like to try their Facebook credential? Don't worry, I would disconnect the monitor and I'll just tell first 2 letters of your Facebook password. You would like to try? Come here. I'll disconnect the monitor till then. Enter your Facebook credentials. So he's entering his email ID right now. Now he's entering his password. He has pressed the enter button. Is this your password starting from 28? Yeah. So his password was cracked successfully. So you see, never open websites which is not HTTPS. Secondly, never open website like Bitly or something. Your password could be cracked. Thank you. Now, I would talk something about my VPN. Can I have my mobile phone, please? Yeah. So this was regarding Facebook, Gmail, and Wi-Fi password cracking and stuff like that. Now, how to be secure? I'm going to talk about security. That is the number one thing. So those people who are using an Android phone, आपको एक ऐप डाउनलोड करना है टर्बो VPN करके जो प्ले स्टोर में अवेलेबल होता है. अब वो टर्बो VPN क्या करता है मैं बताता हूँ. मैं टर्बो VPN का ऐप डाउनलोड किया और मैंने सिंपली वो ऐप लॉन्च कर दिया. तो ये क्या करने वाला है मैं खाली वो दिखाता हूँ. सो टैप टू कनेक्ट, तो मैं सिर्फ कनेक्ट पे टैप करता हूँ आइकन पे. सो कनेक्ट हो चुका है. अभी ऑन द टॉप राइट हैंड साइड कॉर्नर यू विल सी द स्टेट्स. So you should select any of the country. It can be United States, United Kingdom. So I am selecting United States. Again, it is connecting. You can see. Yeah, so it is connected successfully. Now, if I go to Google and simply type "What's my IP?" So जो मुझे IP address मिलेगा, वो completely see this 138.168. This is the IP address of United States. Let me go to the location and see what's my location now. If you just type in what's my location to Google, it would show as if you are in United States. So your IP has been bounced now. It would bounce your IP from one state, one country to another country. So just a second. Yeah. Can you read it aloud for everyone? So everyone can see, read it. Read the location part. IP address and location.
Where is
See, this is the IP address. Read it out.
Santa?
Yeah. Yeah, sure, you can.
Which?
Read the IP address and read the state. It is US or not?
Where?
Yeah, Santa, what? Is it US?
IP location Santa Clara,
Would
US details.
And what is the IP address?
Address is 138.68.50.135.
Thank you. So this is the IP address of United States. You can bounce your IP address from one country to another. So now why to do that? Why to use VPN? Let's say if the cyber security जो होता है वो आपको ट्रैक करता है यूजिंग VPN, आपका IP एड्रेस से ट्रैक करता है. अगर आपने IP बाउंस कर दिया तो आप सिक्योर हो, यू आर अनोनिमस, नोबडी कैन ट्रेस यू, आपका जो भी PC या फ़ोन है वो हैक नहीं हो सकता है. दैट इज़ नंबर वन थिंग. अभी गूगल क्रोम में जो लैपटॉप यूज़ करते हो उसमें कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जाए, तो गूगल क्रोम में आपको डालना है गूगल में क्रोम वेब स्टोर, उसमें आपको जाना है बेटर नेट करके. बेटर नेट इज़ अ क्रोम एक्सटेंशन. तो सिमिलरली आपका लोकेशन जो है वो बाउंस करते जाएगा. सो आप जब भी बैंकिंग का साइट है जो भी फेसबुक खोलते हो तो ऑलवेज यूज VPN. तो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करता है VPN. सो दिस इज द नंबर वन थिंग, VPN. iPhone is very difficult to hack. It is not possible, I think. iPhone security is very good. I should say it's excellent. Sorry, sir. Sir, no idea. I've never worked on iPhone, but I've heard that it's the best security in iPhone. Sorry, sir.
He's using an iPhone.
All right. That is the Wi-Fi part. You can crack Wi-Fi, not the phone contents. Like Android phone, I can access the contents known as your contacts, messages and stuff. And how to prevent anyone from accessing your contacts or stuff. So on your Android phone, there is something known as settings. Go to settings, apps, and do not allow unknown sources. So if you allow unknown sources, anyone can, I'll just say, this is my app I have made, please download it. If you download the app, I can access all your contents on my PC. So that is the number one thing. And regarding another thing, yes.
Windows is more secure than iPhones.
I think iPhone is more secure than Windows. I think Windows could be hacked. We can create a payload known as msvenom/p Windows. So we can create an exe file. Let's say I'll create an exe file known as system. तुझे क्या लगेगा system file है? Click किया, तेरा Windows hack.
Windows mobile. Like
Windows mobile.
And Windows is the system that US Navy and
Yeah,
US
yeah.
Marines use.
I don't think so. There are any cracks for Windows phone basically. Android phone के लिए you can create APKs. So according to me, I don't think there is any hack for Windows phone. Windows. Yeah. 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 So what should you do? So basically, they are just promoting their app because they earn. The more the people download their app, they get some commission from the Google side. Like I have a YouTube page. The more subscriber I get, I get an earning. Let me just show you. This is how it works basically. So if I tell you, please download my app, so I get a commission from their company. So I'm opening my YouTube channel. So every day, any people, you can see $1.68. So Google, YouTube is paying me. For everyone, I have my tutorials there. So everyone who watch my tutorial, who likes my video, I get amount for that. That is why so they promote their apps. So please download my app. Please download my app. That is the basic reason. Yeah.
Many apps, most of the apps have this like giving access to our contacts.
Contacts and stuff. Yeah.
And many times there's no option if you want to download it, you have to
Yeah.
accept.
Yeah, in that case, what you have to do, ma'am, only download apps that are available on the Play Store. Do not ever download apps that are third-party apps. Like the apps that are available from the Google, third-party cracked apps that could, access your contents easily. So Google Store apps are safe? Yeah, it is safe. Google Play Store apps, because before publishing apps on Google, Google will verify those apps. You have to pay an amount of 2,000 as a developer fee, and then only after a certain amount of time, your app would be published on Play Store. So it is not, nobody would post malicious apps on.
Who is the person who asked about the security of Windows and iPhone? Yeah, let me just inform you. There are currently more than 35 million viruses that are currently, tracked, that are traced in Windows. Not only phone, but also PC. But in iPhone, there are hardly, even less than 1,000 of viruses that are currently traced. That is this data I am telling from the start, from when the OS originated, the time from the OS originated. So please don't have any confusion. iOS is much more secured than Windows. Please be sure. iOS and for computers is Macintosh. Macintosh is much secure than Windows. Okay, this is just what I wanted to add.
Now, a small thing that I would add is you might be aware about USB pen drives. People attach pen drives to your computer and store all the files, important files into their pen drive. So I'll just show what is that and how to prevent from that things. No, don't. Please maintain silence. This would be the last part basically, and till the Windows is getting ready, I would talk about something. So are you guys aware about Mac spoofing? What does Mac spoofing means? Abhi, you know me by my name Saumil Shah, right? Now devices are identified by the name, by their MAC addresses. They have some number, 12:34, something known as MAC address. That is media access control for the devices. Now, what is Mac spoofing and how can you prevent it? Now, let's say I have a Wi-Fi router and I have a certain MAC address. Let's say A, B, C, D, whatever. But I have a MAC address. And so your MAC address is XYZ. Now what Mac spoofing does is, I would change, abhi aapne IPv bounce kar diya. But still cybercrime people can track you by your MAC addresses. So you have some MAC addresses. I have a MAC address ABC, sir has a MAC address of XYZ. So now what I would do Mac spoofing, I would change my MAC address to sir's MAC address. So my current MAC address would be XYZ. So even if you do any kind of activity, now sir would be involved. Since the MAC address was sir's, so that is known as Mac spoofing. So how does it work in Wi-Fi network? I don't know whether you guys are aware about this or not. Whenever you open your router settings and you go to settings part, there is an option of MAC filtering. What is MAC filtering now? So basically to allow only that devices, अभी मेरे घर पे मेरा मोबाइल है और मेरा लैपटॉप है. अभी मुझे क्या चाहिए, मेरे मोबाइल और लैपटॉप भी वाईफाई एक्सेस होना चाहिए, बाहर की कोई भी हो एक्सेस नहीं होना चाहिए. तो मैं मेरे मोबाइल और वाईफाई के मैक एड्रेस अलाउ करूंगा, बाकी सबको रिजेक्ट करूंगा. मैंने वो 2 ही लिस्ट डाल दिया. अभी जो हैकर है जो भी होगा क्या करेगा, वो मैक एड्रेस होगा, आपका पता चल गया ना, तो मैक एड्रेस क्लोन करेगा एंड देन वो यूज़ करेगा. तो उसको क्या लगेगा, दैट इज द सेम मैक एड्रेस, राइट? सो इट विल बाईपास इट. दैट वाज रिगार्डिंग मैक स्पूफिंग. Windows is ready? Yeah. Open. Sorry, sir. I'm not aware about that. I learned that, so I thought it's important to share with you. I don't know how to avoid that part. Still, I'm a learner. I'm an engineering student. I'm not a professional or a big hacker. Whatever knowledge I have, I'm sharing with you. Yeah. Still, there are 3 kind of hackers in this world. One is white hat hacker, gray hat hacker, and black hat hacker. What are this white, grey and black? White hat hacker वो होता है जो अच्छे के लिए हैकिंग करता है और कंपनी को बताता है कि भाई ये तुम्हारा लूपहोल्स है, और कंपनी उनको पे कर देगी तुमने मेरे सिस्टम में ढूंढा. Now what is a black hat hacker? उसको तुम्हारी कोई परवाह नहीं, वो तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट सब क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी के लिए वो हैक करता है. तो दैट इज अ ब्लैक हैट हैकर. ग्रे हैट हैकर क्या होता है, उसका इंटेंशन नहीं होता आपको नुकसान पहुंचाना, बट वो करता क्या है, वो खाली हैक करता है अपने स्किल्स दिखाने के मैं कर सकता हूँ. और दैट इज लाइक नॉट अ ब्लैक, नॉट अ वाइट, दैट इज अ वाइट, दैट इज अ ग्रे बेसिकली. सो हाउ मच हैकिंग this whatever I showed you using Wi-Fi and stuff, this is nothing. This is not even basics भी नहीं है ये तो. There are professional hackers who can hack your mobile phones, bank accounts. So मैं इसीलिए सीखा है मैंने वाईफाई के जैम हो सकता है तो आपको पता चलेगा कोई क्रैक कर रहा है तो आप वाईफाई बंद करो या तो वाईफाई का रीसेट करो. यू शुड नो राइट. अभी आपको पता ही नहीं है जैमर क्या होता है. आपने आज पहली बार पता चला कि जैम हो सकता है. हाँ तो उसको वापस पूरा अटैक चालू करना पड़ेगा. जो वो था ना वापस फ्लक्शन टूल ओपन करना है तो इसके लिए वो जानना तो ज़रूरी है ना भाई कि क्या होता है हैकिंग में. पता कैसे चलता है क्या मेरा जैम हो रहा है मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर. येस द एंटायर प्रोसेसर. इफ़ यू चेंज द SSID जो शील्ड था उसने चेंज कर दिया तो फिर वापस पूरा हैंड शेक कैप्चर करना है सब करना है तो इट विल टेक अगेन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. Yeah, exactly. Change your Wi-Fi SSID and password. It should be WEP, and your password should not be your name and birth date or something. It should be special characters like P. So you can say @ or something, some special characters that resemble to certain symbols. Or your name is, let's say my name is Somil. So Somil, S, let's say A. So that is 1. So you can code it that way, your password. So nobody can crack those passwords. This is how you protect it. So advisable every 3 to 4 months, change your Wi-Fi passwords. आईफोन में सर लोकेशन ट्रैकर नहीं उसका भी मैक लाइक यू कैन से व्हाट इज माई IP ऐप डाल के आपको लोकेशन मिलेगा. आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द एप्स दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन द प्ले स्टोर. सॉरी इट हैज ऐप स्टोर्स राइट. या सो आपको खाली गूगल करना पड़ेगा व्हाट आर द एप्स फॉर चेंजिंग VPN एंड यू कैन बाउंस योर लोकेशन. यू शुड डू दैट so that nobody can track your location and hack it basically. So when you are doing browsing on computer or laptop, always use VPN. That is most important. Yeah. Quickly, I'll just say about the bootable pen drive. All right, I simply go to Google. Can you please hold it, the mic? Hold it. Okay, in the Google you have to type Chrome Pass. अब ये Chrome Pass क्या है यार? ये क्या करता है जब भी आप पेन ड्राइव डाला मैं आपको बताता हूँ शो कर देता हूँ क्या है और कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जाए. सो ये ऐप है नोन एज क्रोम पास ओनली फॉर गूगल क्रोम. फायरफॉक्स के लिए होता है फायर पास. ठीक है तो मैं क्विकली एक बता देता हूँ क्या है कैसे करते हैं. या फॉर द VPN इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल फॉर फायरफॉक्स. उसके सॉफ्टवेयर भी आते हैं आप सिर्फ गूगल कर सकते हो डाउनलोड VPN करके आपको मिल जाएंगे फॉर द फायरफॉक्स ऑल्सो. It is available. It is very common. You just Google it, you will definitely get it. So some internet problem is there. That is why I'm not able to download this file. So I'll quickly say what is this Chrome Pass about and what it does basically. So you all do browsing on internet, on Google, on Facebook, and one common mistake that everybody does is whenever you use your own personal laptop or your office laptop or computers, you tend to save your password. Whenever you enter your credentials, there's an option on a save as password. So when you do that, all your passwords are logged into your computer and on a file. So what this Chrome Pass does is there would be an executable file known as chrome.exe. When you open that executable file.exe, all your passwords would be visible with your username, with your passwords. And what I can do is I can save those credentials. I'll just show you the commands for that quickly. So here you see stext/filename. So this would save all the password list into a regular text file. So there are various options available: skey, pass, filename. You can also attach this file with a batch file. That means whenever you open Google Chrome, automatically the script would be running on the backside. So one suggestion for you guys: never save your passwords or credential on your computers. Second suggestion that I would say is your password should be pretty strong. And another tip that I would say: never ever attach any pen drives or any of your friend pen drives if you don't know. I mean, use a proper antivirus, license and antivirus. So that would delete that file. If I'm using Chrome Pass and I have a good antivirus, if I install my pen drive, if I try to open it, it would automatically delete that chrome.exe file. So an antivirus is very important. That's it from my side. Anybody who wants all the codes or stuff can give their mail ID to me and I would be mailing to them. Any questions from your side? If I know the answers, I'll definitely answer. So any questions from your sides? Sorry, sir? On the Play Store? Yeah, there is an app known as Turbo VPN on the Play Store. Yeah, so there would be a settings. In the settings, there would be apps, and in that apps, there would be an option as unknown sources. So उसको tick नहीं करना है, वो मतलब allow नहीं करना है कोई भी unknown source के apps. मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा वो कहाँ पे है, तो आपको मिल जाएगा वो. Yes, sir.
Somil, is there any program where you can learn ethical hacking?
Sure, definitely.
There are
Why
many
not?
programs I know, but
Yeah.
which is the most
The
better?
best channel on YouTube to learn ethical hacking is, I'll just show you instead of saying that. He has tons of different videos on ethical hacking. I have learned everything from that only, and also how to prevent such kind of attacks. So first of all, simply go to YouTube.
Because
All right.
what I know is there is a MSCB session which is going on for cybercrime and ethical hacking.
All right.
They are having a 2-day session.
Okay, sir.
So is that better to attend or just?
Sir, I would just advise one thing, that is never ever attend workshops outside. You would end up paying thousands of rupees and you would learn nothing, because it has happened with me when I was in engineering. Due to my financial conditions, I could not learn much from because I did not had money. So I learned everything. I'm a self-taught person. I have learned all the IoTs and stuff, and I taught them everyone for free of cost. So never ever join any kind of classes. Go to YouTube, go to Google, everything you can learn. Just spend a good time with that. That's it. So I'll just show you quickly the channel of that person. It's an amazing guy. I'll just show you. This is a tech chip. That's the person. It's an Indian person who has all kind of hacking. You see, Node MCU ESP board. Then he has hacking on how to make a live, fully loaded, persistent Kali Linux USB. How to fix all kind of hacking video. VMware. See how to crack handshake files, cap files. How to generate word list based on. तो मैं भी सब ये वीडियोस देख के सीखा हूँ और मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा आपको भी नॉलेज मिले. यही मेरा इंटेंशन था. Any questions? Yes. Sorry. I'm not able to hear. Yeah, it's there. You have to learn it from internet. That's really good. Even I'm thinking to do that. So you can get those certificates done. My channel? Yeah, please open YouTube. I have all the videos regarding automation, how to control lights, fans anywhere from the world. Just say lights on, and at my house, lights would be turned on. I had my stall also on the stall number 7, how to make smart TVs, motion sensors. Quickly go to YouTube. So you can learn everything on YouTube. About myself? Oh yeah, so my name is Soumil Nitin Shah. I am 21. I am from KJ Somaya Institute of Information and Technology, Sion. I am pursuing my bachelor's in electronic engineering, final year. 2 months after, in August, I am going to USA for my post-graduation. Master's in electrical engineering, specializing in embedded systems. Right now, I have 30 certificates, 8 letters of appreciation. I have taken 10 seminars. All the seminars were free of cost. And I was nominated amongst the best student of the year for my college, but unfortunately, I could not win it. And regarding my marks, consistently, I have cleared all the semester of my exam with an aggregate of 7.2% and including all the projects. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
What's more safe, using a VPN or using Tor?
Sir, never ever use Tor. I'm telling you, it is so. I just forgot to mention that. Thank you for telling me. I just want to tell user what is Tor. Abhi, anyone knows what is Tor browser? You guys, you know, right? BSc IT, right? Yeah. So what is a Tor browser? Basically, it is the most dangerous stuff. If you open Tor browser, your location could be hacked. Like there are two kind of website. I don't know. Just Google it. One is darknet and other is deep web. डार्क वेब इज इलीगल थिंग दैट वो सब एक्सेस होता है टॉर ब्राउजर से. तो टॉर ब्राउजर में आपका लोकेशन फेक होता है, लाइक यू कैन बाउंस योर लोकेशन, और सब जो भी गवर्नमेंट फाइल्स है वो टॉर ब्राउजर से होता है. सो नेवर यूज टॉर ब्राउजर, इट इज सो डेंजरस. वहाँ पे सब लोग क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज होती है, वहाँ पे शूटर्स अरेंज होते हैं, मर्डर्स होते हैं, लाइव मर्डर्स, सब कुछ होता है वहाँ पे. सो मोस्ट डेंजरस थिंग इज टॉर ब्राउजर. नेवर यूज दैट. ऑनियन और टॉर ब्राउजर है तो आप खाली इसको देख सकते हैं व्हाट इज डार्क नेट एंड डीप नेट. Most dangerous thing, it is only done on this Tor browser. Never install Tor browser, it is most dangerous. So thank you for reminding that point. Torrent? Movies? Yeah, I do download. It is safe. I mean, you can download from now regarding torrents, how to download movies. Most of the people, you know that torrent is banned in India, right? You know that you cannot download movies. So now how to download movies using torrent is use VPN, fake your location to United States. You can download the torrent and get your movies done. This is how you know, practical application of VPN. Bounce your location and use it. Yeah, sure.
So I'd like to add something.
Sure.
Deep web and dark web you're talking
Yeah.
about, right? So dark web is the one that is very much, harmful to the people.
Very harmful, yeah.
And deep web is something you learn from it.
Exactly.
Like Google won't index everything on surface web. Like
But
there's
it's still
three types of
dangerous.
Web. Surface web, Google, which we index every day.
That's surface web.
Deep web and dark web. Dark web is the darkest of the internet.
Darkest of the internet, yes.
Black hat usually go there. And
Yeah.
deep web is like, the one, the guy, I can't remember the name, but he had all the forums and articles on deep
Yeah,
web. Deep web is not so dangerous. You can learn most of it. Like Google won't index everything.
Yeah, exactly,
right?
true.
So deep web is where you can learn from all the things. Like US would post their articles,
Articles,
their
yes,
all
government.
the grades, their prototypes, everything. So deep
Yeah.
web is not, it is advisable to learn the most from deep web. Dark web is the one that is
Dangerous.
harmful
It's
to
a
people.
very dangerous stuff.
Yeah.
So that's why I advise not to go on deep net, dark
No,
net and stuff like that.
Deep net is useful for information gathering. It's kind of that.
But
thing.
still, you can be traced. So I prefer not to use such kind of thing.
If you
But
want to
thank-
learn extra edge
yeah,
something,
extra
so
something,
prefer
it is
to
really
go on
good.
deep web, I would suggest.
Yeah. So any more questions? Any kind of questions from your side? So I hope it was very informative. You learned a lot about internet and stuff. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Everyone who wants some codes and stuff can give me your mail ID. I'll be mailing you everything. Thank you.
Guys, please be seated. One thing that Somil didn't mention about himself, I would like to mention that he was selected among top 100 makers of our country at Makers Mela. So guys, we can understand how innovative and creative this guy is. Please be seated for 2 minutes as I finish his. Guys, please be seated. At least we need to thank him, right? For everything that he's been teaching us here since last 2 days. So thank you once again, Somil and team. I need not say how informational and exciting his workshops are. The excitement level among y'all is enough to express that. And I'll be sharing Somil's detail on our Facebook page. So please like us. Please like Story of Makers on Facebook. Y'all will get all his details on our Facebook page and y'all can get in touch with him. Y'all can get in touch with us as well if y'all need any kind of help from any speakers who were present over here with us.